So after being gone for 7 days, this is what the garden look like when we get back. Everything is, most things in the pots are withered down. We didn't transplant out these yet, but I just gave them some water. So I guess they haven't got no water in 7 days. With the Florida sun, that happens. I just water these with some rainwater. The rainwater that I store. I just got in. Just water these. I just give these some water as well. So tomorrow I'll do some work over here. Try and get these up. Weed out all these grass. I'm gonna harvest okra later because I noticed I have some okra that's ready on the tree. Put some okra. I don't know if you guys can see it. So later I can harvest some okra and the corns. Looking good. And I'm gonna have to mold up these, add some dirt. But other than that, nothing much. These peppers are looking bad also. Oh, the Florida sun is no joke. The time's still not looking bad. Oh, these raspberry finally catching up. So the raspberry finally catching. Good. These tomatoes, just gonna make some trolleys for them. So these are the ones that's looking really bad. They're very thirsty. They are dehydrated. So after I came back, this is what it looks like because I watered for 2 days. Been watering it for 2 days with rainwater, and they came back to life. Only my tomato is the only thing that didn't survive. Remember this pepper that look all droopy when I came back? This is what it's looking like today. It was just dehydrated. It needed water and some TLC. Okay, let's get to the... After being gone for a week, look at my garden. Oh my goodness, look at this. This was looking so good before I left. Look there, come here, Dad. It's not fine. Only thing, the pineapple. So I'm gonna take no rainfall. Jeez. The pepper get big. The corn them start bare. The tomato ripe and drop off. Oh wow. Full of them on the rotten. Yeah. Those are rotten. The tomato, a lot of ripe tomato. So I'm gonna harvest them today, so I'm not gonna spray them. 7 day make a big difference. Okra big on the tree. Everything look different. We have some cantaloupe. Tomato withered down after gone. This is my tomato. Everything looking sad. This. So after being gone for 7 days, this is what the garden look like when we get back. Everything is, most things in the pots are withered down. We didn't transplant out these yet, but I just gave them some water. So I guess they haven't got no water in 7 days with the Florida sun.